that's one thing that was like kind of annoying, but does it stop me from reaching for this bag? No. And there's still plastic on here. Kayla. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and I am back with another video, and I am super excited about this one because if you guys remember, maybe like a couple vlogs ago, I had gone to Louis Vuitton and I treated myself to a new everyday bag because I am a simple girly, okay? If it's expensive, oh baby, we're using it every day. We're not going to use it for special occasions. So I told you guys in that video that I would come back after I've used it for some time to give you guys an updated review and how I feel about the bag. I have some negatives to say, and I'll let you guys know if I feel like it's worth getting, and I will show you guys in this video what's in my bag. Basically just showing you guys the things that I've been taking around with me day to day, and then you'll be able to see what actually fits in this bag so you can decide for yourself if it is actually worth it for you to add into your own collection. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in this video, definitely stick around. Thumbs up for more fashion related videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new here. I do a lot of videos relating to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hair, self-care, manifestation, all that good stuff. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe. So let's just go ahead and dive in, and I'll show you girls what the bag looked like if you haven't seen that video, which I highly recommend you go check out because it just goes over all of the details from the interior and then also the exterior, and I show you larger items that fit inside this bag. So I'll link that in the cards for you girls, but this is the Louis Vuitton Loop bag and she is so cute. I'm still obsessed with the aesthetic of this bag, the shape, like the crescent shape of this bag. I'm obsessed with the classic monogram canvas. I actually really like the treated patina because at first I didn't know how I was going to feel about it, just because I like how the bag naturally ages over time when it's very raw and then your oils get into it, but I feel like it's more carefree with the treated vachetta. I've worn this in the rain already. It was like drizzling or whatever, and I wasn't like, oh my god, my bag, you know. So it is nice for moments like that. You don't have to baby it, which I feel makes it great for every day because it's great for all weather in that aspect. So one thing about this bag, as I was just wearing it from day to day, is this chain doesn't really stay in the front of the bag. So I notice it'll just go towards the back, maybe because it is on the heavier side, and I like it to stay in the front. But that's one thing that was like kind of annoying, but does it stop me from reaching for this bag? No. And there's still plastic on here. Kayla, I just noticed that. I guess I didn't unbox it proper. Wow, they're slick with that. I need to take that off. The second thing that I'm just getting right into the things I don't like. If you like to carry larger items, this is not the bag for you. You're probably gonna have to go shopping for your favorite items in a smaller form, travel items, sizing wise, and things that aren't so bulky and clunky. You're also gonna have to start to downsize the things that you decide to take with you, because this is like the essentials bag. This is like, I absolutely need this when I leave the house, because really not a lot of things really fit in here. And for me, for example, like everything I need fits in here, but my camera, it does fit, but then my phone doesn't fit. So it's like I have to pick and choose between my phone and my camera going in my bag. And as someone that vlogs their day-to-day life, and I'm running around errands and I'm in and out of my bag reaching for my camera to like shoot a shot or something, it is annoying. So this is a bag that I will have to hold like my phone in my hand a lot if I want to bring my camera with me, or vice versa. So ask yourself like, oh, what items do I absolutely need to have with me day to day? So that is one thing. And I didn't really like take the time to like see if my camera and my phone fit when I was at the boutique, but I also wasn't about to bust those things out and then try and put them in the display bag with the essay there. I don't know. But yeah, that is one thing that maybe I would say the only thing that really bugs me about this bag is the amount of items that you're limited to because of its shape. It does hold a lot, don't get it twisted, but because it is that crescent shape, you are pretty much limited to this middle section for like your phone and your wallet and your keys, and then the side areas you can really only fit those smaller items like your lip product and your hand cream, whatever. So keep that in mind if you're shopping for this bag. Now this strap, you guys, I absolutely love wearing this bag as a crossbody on the medium strap length. It hits me at the most perfect spot, as you guys saw in my initial first impressions when I did the like mod shots and all of that. So height wise, like it looks amazing and it sits perfect where I'm able to just go in my bag, get what I need. So with that also being said, don't overstuff this bag because it is a nightmare to zip up because it is like a rounded zipper pull versus your traditional straight across. So if there's stuff in the way, it can crinkle and wrinkle up, as it's kind of doing right now because there's a lot in here. So it is also just a nightmare if you're like quickly paying for something and you want to get your wallet out, you know, and then you want to put it back in and then zip it up. Baby, you need 2 hands. You need to hold it at the bottom because stuff's coming out, and then you need to pull it, right? It's not a quick boom boom in and out type of situation. So I wouldn't recommend, for that reason, overstuffing this bag, just because you want to be able to see what's in there and have easy access to pull in and pull out. Otherwise, you're going to have to maneuver the items inside the bag to go back into like these crevices so that they fit proper so you can go and zip it in. So yeah, with using this bag day to day, those are things that I've just noticed personally when it comes to the wear and what's worth it and what's not. Would I go back and rebuy this bag if I had the option, now knowing that it is what it is? Absolutely, because it's so freaking cute. Okay, it is super versatile. I haven't had the opportunity to wear it without the vachetta strap yet, but it is stunning when you do that. I think it makes it more of a nighttime bag, more dressy, and then this strap, like I mentioned in my first video, makes it more casual and day-to-day wear. And I also just think it's nice to be able to switch between both chains and then the strap option. So I'm gonna put my phone in here so you guys can see what it looks like with all of my essentials and what I've just been taking with me every day. Like I said, like my camera doesn't fit in here, so if I know I'm going somewhere and I want to vlog a whole bunch, I don't pick this bag. I will just take that one back there that you guys see. Those are like my everyday bags at this point. Not there being makeup on my phone from this morning. Absolutely not. That's not about to get on my bag. Oh my god. Y'all, this is the thing. I took my phone out this morning. It is a nightmare to put things back in this bag if there's already stuff in here. So please don't overstuff this because this happens. And I'm gonna give you guys the truth, okay? I'm gonna give you guys the tea. So yeah, this is what it looks like. A hot mess. So I do have, like I said, I want to show you guys everything. I have a large iPhone. This is a 13 Max, the bigger one. So it is on the larger end, but it does fit in the middle of the bag, baby. That's the only place that it can go. So we definitely need that when we leave the house. I have my card holder. This has been my wallet of choice for like 10 years. And I definitely think you need a card holder. A wallet, even if it's like a zippy coin purse or something, too big for this bag. It's gonna fit, but it's gonna take up way too much space, and you're gonna be limited to the other essentials that you are going to be able to take with you. So I highly recommend this piece if you're looking for something on the petite side. This is the key pouch. Super cute. And I definitely need my keys when I leave my house, as well as most people do. This is a larger item. I know it doesn't look big, but for this bag, it takes up quite a bit of space, and it really only fits in the middle portion. I can't position it on the side because of the size of my keys, and it also has like my gym pass in here, my house key. So I definitely need this. Phone, keys, wallet, those are my essentials, and they do fit in here very comfortably. But of course I'm a girl and I need those other basics just for day to day. So I have some mints in here. Once these are gone, I'm going to get the smaller tin. I think it's also Altoids in the red can. That's a much smaller package. So this is what I mean by finding your favorite items in a smaller form and or opting to get more of like a travel version of your favorite thing that you like to bring with you, because that's really the only way that you're able to fit everything that you need. Like hand sanitizer. This one's my favorite one from Amazon. It is on my Amazon store, so definitely check that out down below. It comes with like refill because it is so slim, which is perfect for this bag. It takes up absolutely no space. And I mean, we need hand sanitizer, you guys, and this one is a moisturizing one, and it smells like bergamot, and it has jojoba oil. So I love this. A hand cream. This is a very small size, so I definitely prefer it for this bag. You can see in comparison, this is one of my favorite fragrances. It's the Byredo Mojave Ghost, and it is very moisturizing, very thick, rich, and creamy. So definitely recommend this for all the girlies that are looking for, you know, things to take in your bag with you. I do think that it is expensive, but is it worth it? 100% yes. It is my favorite fragrance, and it just makes me happy. So we love that. Perfume. We all need a little fragrance in our lives, and this is what I'm talking about when I say travel size things. I am the type of girl that will bring, or I'm used to bringing, a full-size fragrance bottle with me because it fits in that bag back there that I've been using for the past like 2 years or so. So now I can't really do that because baby, there's no room. So that means I'm just gonna have to stick to buying my favorite fragrance in travel form for that reason. So I've been using the Kayla Love Fest Burning Cherry, and it smells so good. I already have a backup ready for me. I also have AirPods in here. I think these days a lot of us carry AirPods. I used to have a case around them, and I took it off because it's too bulky. And this just saves me a lot more space, whether I'm running into, I don't know, the grocery store or something, running errands. I do like to wear AirPods from time to time, or if I just need them, I'm going to the gym. These are great to have, and they definitely do fit with everything else that I have here. And then, of course, I'm going to need whatever lip color I'm wearing for the day, and I'm not wearing this at all, but it's Honey Love from MAC in case you guys are interested. I do carry a couple different lip products with me because I also have this Dior gloss, which I love so much. I don't know what color it is, but I will link it below. This is my favorite brand of gloss ever. It's perfect, and it has a little bit of like a tingle lip plump sensation. So that's everything that fits in this bag. I think that's really good considering the size and the awkward shape. So you are able to carry your essentials, your necessary items, and then a little more. Like, I don't really need these if I'm going out at night, you know, so that will give me space for, I don't know, something else like a face powder compact or something. You know, you can just pick and choose whatever you need depending on where you're going. So I will leave you guys with one thing, which is, like I said, picking, let me see, a perfume, a lotion, and a sanitizer. Picking smaller items that take up less space versus the same products that are larger in size. So you can just see the difference that it will make when you pick items that are much smaller. For comparison, these are 2 hand sanitizers, but you can see the difference in size. Of course, I picked this. This is one of my smaller full-size perfume bottles versus a travel one. And lastly, 2 of my favorite hand creams. You can see the big difference in size. So you just have to be a little bit more picky and choosy with what you choose to carry with you in that bag. But that's pretty much it, you guys, when it comes to what's in my bag and my updated thoughts on the Louis Vuitton Loop bag. I definitely recommend it. I still stand by the statement in my first initial impressions video that it is the it girl bag, because 1, I don't see a lot of people with it. I've never seen anybody with it, actually. 2, it is very hands-free when you have it on that crossbody strap. And 3, it is extremely versatile, so you really are getting, I feel, the most bang for your buck in the sense that it can be transformed to be a, you know, casual day-to-day bag, and then a very dressy, classy night clutch. So I really like the versatility, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. super cute and she will be used, okay? I'm very much so carefree with this bag and I think that it fits me and my lifestyle perfectly. So I just thought I would give you guys an update on this bag. So if you guys enjoy this video, definitely a thumbs up. It really helps to support me on YouTube, and let me know down below what items are your essentials, because I feel like it varies from girl to girl, but I'm very curious to know what yours are. So definitely drop a comment so I can reply back to you guys, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!